place in case आपका जो subject of sentence है, that is an inanimate object. Second example is the television needs repairing, which is a gerund form of verb, or the television needs to be repaired, which is a past participle verb. Third example is the composition needs rewriting, which is a gerund, or the composition needs to be rewritten. It's the verb in past participle. The verb in need of. So far we were studying need. Need when you use with a subject which is animate or living, or inanimate which is non-living. अब हम पढ़ेंगे in need of. It is also possible to use the expression in need of in some cases instead of using just need as a verb. ऐसे cases में हमारा जो sentence का structure होगा वो होगा subject followed by be, followed by an expression which is in need of, and followed by noun, and then the rest of the composition. So the sentence would be Jill, which is subject, is in need of money, which is noun. So Jill needs money. The roof is in need of repair. The roof needs to be repaired. The organization was in need of volunteers. The organization needed volunteers.